Alright guys, we are here in Valle de Guadalupe in Baja-med in Mexico, and we want to give you a quick tour of the grounds here of the house where we're staying at. Alright, let's go! What is up YouTube? I'm Mark Climaco and welcome back to my channel where I am documenting my life as a Filipino living here in New York City in the United States. I definitely wanted to share that with all the Filipinos out there all over the world. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button so you can get notified when my videos come out, which is actually every Wednesday. This summer, I ended up taking my entire family out on a really nice trip to Valle de Guadalupe in Baja-med, Mexico, just 2 hours south of San Diego. And I'm documenting all of our adventures on this vlog, so check out those vlogs right here. And for this family trip, we ended up renting an amazing Airbnb house in Valle de Guadalupe in the middle of the valley where you could see all of the mountains. And this is really what this video is all about. So here it is. Richie, why don't you do a bit of the tour around?
Okay, so it's a really nice place. A lot of trees, you have some cactus, so you have some wood here, so it just fits the area.
I like this cactus, bro.
Yeah.
This is a really good cactus. A lot of cactus in the area, and there's a lot of vineyards around. So over here we have a bit of a gazebo area, and it's really nice. You can have a table over there. You can have, like a big table where, the family eats around, and the lights, with the lights, turned on. It gives you a really great ambience. Yeah, we ate here last night. We brought a big table here, and it's overlooking the mountain.
We're gonna be grilling tonight.
Look at that. Tito Rick, you're excited? What are we grilling tonight?
The squash, skirt steak, and bell pepper.
Yum! I'm so excited for dinner. It's very healthy. Richie, what else should we show?
So we have this fire pit over here.
Oh yeah, we need firewood, and we'll set it up maybe tomorrow night. Grab some firewood, sit around, do some s'mores.
We have a pool.
The pool was warmed by the sun. Warm all day, warm all night. I love this pool. At night you can see it smoke because it gets really cold here in the valley, and the water temperature stays really warm, so night swimming is amazing here. And the lights you can turn on, it gives you a nice ambiance. I'm really happy with this property actually. I love night swimming.
Also, one other thing is,
yeah, the house comes with a cat. Richie's a big cat lover, and he's been taking care of this cat since he found it running around the house when we got in. And it's been sleeping on his bed. As you can see, that is the one of two houses. I am staying in that house with my friends, and we have another house over here, the main house where my parents and my brother are staying at. It's a huge house when you go in. The big doors are here. It's pretty amazing.
So starting off with the living room over here, we have 1, 2, 3 couches.
It's one big open space. Dining room, kitchen, living room. I am moving back in the back of the house. I love it. Ma, you loving the house?
Yes.
What did you cook? Oh my god. Are we grilling now?
We're going to grill.
Are we gonna start to grill? We are starting to grill soon. This main house has a massive bedroom. Look at this. Richie, can you get on that bed so people can see? Look how big these beds are. Amazing. Again, you have the nice tall ceilings. Fantastic.
And there's the bathroom over here.
And we also have a bathroom over here. Yeah. Nice. It's a good size. It's a pretty big bathroom, actually.
Yeah.
What's up, Nila? What's up, Ollie? Are you guys loving the stay here?
Yeah, we are having fun. I'm happy.
Essentially in the winter when it's nice and cold, you can, you know, make pizza over here and enjoy the nice view while doing it. I'm honestly amazed by this house. Look at that. And from here, the property is not too big, but it's a good sized property. You know, it's a pretty good amount of privacy.
So
And check out those rocks right there on
yeah,
top of that house.
Those are,
Look at those rocks.
yeah, it's pretty big.
Yeah, those rocks are crazy. Yeah, we're really very happy to be here. So stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And let me know where in Mexico you guys go, if you do go. Or if you go, you know, if you recommend other places around the world that you like, comment down below. Let me know and I will try to get there. Ciao, guys. Look, my mom doesn't know how to relax, so she decided to clean Olivia's car. Yeah. Mom, it's okay to just like relax in the pool, you know? You don't have to clean and work all the time. Ma, say hi. Hi, Ma. She couldn't sit down. She couldn't sit down.
I feel bad.
Isn't it great? Take advantage.